Yeah, so back to the 2015 Dmax tailgate problem. Yep, it didn't work again, so take 3. I'm going to reapply some new sealant. This time I've got some aluminium flat bar, 10 by 3 mil thick. So I'm going to run that along and I'm going to rivet that onto the underside to there. Okay, so to there. I'll be putting the new one on. Alright, next video will be of it installed. Yep, so as you can see, I've put that flat bar on. The seals actually went quite well. When I closed it with this particular one on, it was just way too much, it wouldn't close, so I just ripped that off. And when I actually closed the tailgate in, there was a good seal along that line there and along this line here. I cut a little notch out of there just so it won't wear away in time anyway. So yep, you got to get things to actually get what you want. Sometimes you have to go through the pain of doing a couple of things wrong to get it right. Alright, it's not an exact science, but hopefully it can help someone else. Alright, thanks for watching the episode and see you on the next one.